Welcome back everyone, this is Island Girl Recipes and today's recipe is a special one for New Year's. It's soup Joumou and it's an iconic dish eaten on New Year's Day in Haiti to celebrate and commemorate independence on the island. So here we go. So our ingredients are a mix of root vegetables. I also have some beef and some epis to season it with. So to start with, we want to prepare the pumpkin, which is the base of the soup, and I'm just putting it in the pan with the skin on, and we're going to boil it until it's soft, and then we will remove the flesh later on. So once the pumpkin is cooked, just rinse it off in some cold water. We're going to peel it, discarding the skin, keeping the orange flesh, and place that in a bowl. Once you've done all of that, we're going to crush this and to make it into a smooth puree. Once that's done, just set it aside whilst we prepare the meat. So to prepare the meat, I'm going to wash it in some lime juice and water to begin with, and then you can discard that. Then we're going to season it with some epis, which is like a green seasoning found throughout the Caribbean, but epis is unique to Haiti. I'll share my recipe for that above. We're also going to add some salt and just leave. You can leave it to marinate overnight or you can use it straight away. So next we're going to heat some oil in the pan and then we're going to add the meat to brown it off. Next we're going to add a little water to the pan and allow this meat to cook for about 30 minutes. Because we want it to be soft once it cooks with the rest of the vegetables and is incorporated into the soup. For 30 minutes you can see that most of the water is evaporated and all the oils and flavours have really started to reduce down. So we're going to remove the meat from the pan, put that in a bowl to the side, keep all the remaining juices because these are going to flavour the soup, and next we're going to prepare the vegetables. So to go into the soup, we've got some carrots, potatoes, white cabbage, spring onion, fresh parsley, scotch bonnet, garlic, brown onion, and turnip. We want to add all of these vegetables to the pan that we just browned the meat in. Remember, we kept all of the juices. Then we want to add some water to bring these to the boil. Once this has started boiling, I'm going to add the onions, the garlic, the scotch bonnet, some fresh thyme. This is now the base of the soup, and once it's simmering, we're going to add in our pumpkin puree. Put the lid on, bring it back up to the boil, and once it's boiling, we're going to add in our pre-cooked beef. After adding the beef, we're going to cook this for a further 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 to 40 minutes, just give it a quick check. Check that the vegetables are starting to go soft. We're going to season with a little salt and pepper. We're also going to add some spring onion. And finally, our pasta before we get ready to serve. So, once the pasta is soft, we're just going to finish this off with some fresh parsley, and soup Joumou is done. So you can serve this straight away just as it is, as I'm doing here. This also freezes really, really well. So once again guys, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Until the next time, peace and love.